In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to install and use the ChatGPT Chrome extension. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we need to do is go to chromewebstore.google.com, then do a search for ChatGPT Search. This is the one that you want to select. Now you need to click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Now if I go to a new tab and do a search like, what is the capital of London? It will redirect me to ChatGPT with the search feature activated. Whilst the extension is activated, it will redirect all searches to ChatGPT. We can disable this by clicking this button on the top right, then clicking the three dots next to ChatGPT Search, then select Manage Extension. From here, we can switch the extension on and off. That's all we have for this video on installing and using the ChatGPT Search extension for Chrome. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.